Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So you have to draw the lines like this. Now turn the paper and then make the ears of the dog as shown in the video. So you can see how we are making the dog. Now make its eyes and after that make its nose. Now we have to make its sharp teeth like this. Now make its tongue. Now you have to color it, otherwise you can make the neckband, color it and it's done. Next, you have to take a white sheet, draw 6 like this over it and 2 zeros. Now join the lines to make a sitting puppy. So you can see we have made its eyes, nose and the mouth. Make its ears, neck band. Now make its legs like this. Make a tail on the back of it as shown in the video. Color it and it's done. Next, write 2 over the white sheet like this. Now, first 2 will be converted into a frog like this. So you can see how we have drawn the line. Now, second one will be turned into a mouse. Make its tail. Third one, we have to draw a circle and will be turned into a monkey. So you can see we have made its body, legs, ears and tail. Now, fourth one will be turned into a beautiful, cute bunny. So you can see we have made its ears, tail and it's done. Now, fifth one will be turned into a bird sitting on the branch of the tree. And the last one will be turned into a duck. So you can see its beak, wings and it's done. Next, write S on the white sheet. Join the lines. Draw the bee-like shape on the both sides. Make the ears of it. Make its eyes, nose and the tail of the kitty. Make its ears also. Make its eyes, nose and the mouth of the bunny. Now color them and it's ready. So you can see we have made the patterns on their body and it's done. Next, write the 3 on the white sheet. First 3 will be turned into a monkey like this. Make its tail, legs and it's done. Second one will be turned into a cute bunny. Make its hands and legs. Make a carrot in its hand. Make its tail, color it and it's done. Now the third one will be turned into a butterfly. So you can see we have made its wings, body and it's done. Fourth one will be turned into a bird. So you can see we have made its beak, ears, eyes, tail and it's done. Next, fifth one will be turned into a mouse. And the last one will be turned into a fish like this. So make its eyes, tail, fins and it's done. Color it and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a white sheet. Write a letter 6 and a 7. Now draw the face. Now make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Make its ears. Now we have to make its legs. Now make its tail on the back like this. Now your monkey is done. Next, draw a circle. Now make the legs and the ears of the kitty. Make its pattern on the head. Make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Now after that, draw its legs like this and the tail on the back of the kitty and it's done. Next, you have to write digit 8 and then 7, 2 and then draw a circle. Now make its eyes, tail and your mouse is ready. Thanks for watching.